This is the cheapest Air Max 97 we've seen in so long. The cheapest Union Cortez we've ever seen. And what is this? I've never even seen this at Nike. They got some overalls. The $50 freaking dollars. $50. I did miss out. Can these be the cheapest Air Maxes we've ever seen? These are the cheapest GT Cut 2s we've ever seen as well. Camarillo just opened up. Haven't been here in so long. Dude got 30% off the back wall. Seeing all kinds of Jordans here. Jordan 3 Fears. Going for retail though. $210, at least you get 30 off. Air Max 90s right next to that size 9. $60. $60, that's $42 after the discount. Holy cow. Holy cow. That's crazy, yo. Holy cow. Got these bad boys right here. Union Cortez down to 80. These still going for $100. Got these in a 7.5 as well. Size 9 graffiti 4s. LeBron 4 graffitis, $240. $50 for the mocks right here. These are size 8.5. $120 for these bad boys right here. Size 9 pennies going for $95. Hyper Dunks, size 9.5 going for $100. Metcon 9's $100 as well. Zions, another going for $100. But these Air Max 90s going for $110. Made it to the size 10. $160 still, wow. Got multiple Union Cortez, $80 for those. This colorway right here, $100 for those. More of these in the size 10. 80 Trey 510s, $45 for these. $120 for the AJKOs. Size 10.5. Looks like they have all three colorways of the Union Cortez right here. $100 for those bad boys. They do have one of these in a size 10.5. $42 for Air Max 97s. That is pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. This one looks like it's been tried on, returned, or something. I don't know, but that's just hella cheap. Got Airspans right here. $60. Air Max 97s and Airspans going for the same price. That's crazy. We have another one right here. Wow. People just ain't digging the Air Maxes no more. So got them in size 11 right here as well. Oh, is this one mismarked? Holy cow, look at this. $55. Might be, look at this. 55 right here. 100 right here. These are 10.5s, these are 11. This could be that the 11s were extended size. That's crazy. Found another mistake. Look at this. Yeah, $100 for these size 11s. Checking to see if I see any others. Not really seeing any others. They will honor that price. Nike's really good about that. Got a subscriber, Paul, right here, and look at him. Found these Jordan 2s and thinking about it. He's thinking about it. He's like me, where you got to think about things because you got too much stuff. $80 and then another 30 off on top. So $80, another 30 on top. That's like what, 50, what, $55 or something like that. Damn, that's what's up. And they got the cool gray 11s on, looking hella clean. Looking hella clean. He's talking about the sole protectors. I'm gonna have to talk about that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk about that. But appreciate you, doggy. Didn't we see this price for $100 in the clearance? What the hell? What's going on here? All right, let's take a break from the sneakers real quick. See what's going on in the apparel. 30% off. What the F is this? Overalls? Nike overalls? I've never seen. $250.
What's up, buddy?
$250 for overalls? What the hell? $250 for overalls is wild. $117 for this winter jacket right here. Normally $275 supposedly. $175 for that one. $250 MSRP. $250 sale price. At least you get 30 off, I guess. Got Packers hoodie right here. $85 double XL. $35 for the Nike hoodie right here. That drops that down to what, $26 or something? Is that someone doing a big right here? Holy cow. Buying a bunch of Jordan 4 women's, and then these are down to that cheap. I might have picked it up for that price. Holy cow. Damn, I looked through the aisles and I tried to see if they have any more. I think these get an extra 30 off. Holy cow. All right, this is the last of it. I talked to one of the workers. This is the last of it, and they had these down to 50 freaking dollars. 50 bucks. I did miss out on it. Looks like one of the resellers grabbed all of these. Apparently they had them for the last few days. Damn, I missed out. 50 bucks for off-whites. Holy crap. Of course, at 100 or 200, I probably wouldn't have paid for it, but 50 bucks? I would have thought about it. It wouldn't have been a for sure. Wouldn't have been a for sure, because I don't really need yellow and white. But yeah, that's crazy. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. And I asked one of the workers, I was like, y'all don't limit the numbers? But nah, they said no, there's no limits here right now. So $50 for these right here. Yeah, but like I said, I'm not even sure if I would have gotten one. But for 50 bucks, that's just hella cheap. But yeah, I got one of these jackets right here, Club America 105. This is a large. And they got a USA one right here, Team USA jacket right here as well. $400? Are you serious? 400 bucks? Holy cow. Is that nice? Okay. Checking out the clothes real quick. Tech fleece right here, $72. That brings it down to about 50 bucks after the 30% off. That's a hell of a price. And got Chicago Bears fleece pants right here. Pretty dope. I don't know the price though. $80. You should get 30 off. 45 for these bad boys right here. 80 for these. Got the Ja Morant pants right here going for 56. We saw these at some of the Foot Lockers going for 70% off. Thought these were Nike SB, but no, not really. Going for 65. Got a bunch of swimming shorts and stuff like that. On the shorts aisle right here, the shorts rack going for 45. And all kinds of t-shirts going for $15. But I don't really need any Nike t-shirts like that here. All right, back to the back wall right here. How do you say that name? But yeah, 140 for these, and they are Nike by you, so they do have that nice leather on them. But yeah, 140. Luka 2's going for 110. Size 12, 140 for these bad boys right here. Didn't we see this for like 70 at Shoe Palace or something? Del Don's going for 85. I feel like we've seen those way cheaper. Got the Airspan 2's going for 60. Size 13, we're seeing some extended size pricing right now. $90 for those. The gray tags usually means they are extended size priced. The sizes are either too big or too small. They usually clearance them out even more. $80 for those. 45 for the alley-oops. 70 for the Zion 3s. We saw these for 100 earlier, right? A Trey 510s right here. $30. So you get another 30 off, so $21 for that. More size 13, $71. Kind of a weird number. 130 for the Jordan 6 Golf. That's hella bright. 120 for the Cortez. What the hell are these? The Zoom Cortez, looking weird as hell. Jaws going for $60. These are all prices before the discount because I'm too lazy to do the math. 155 for the Jordan 39 lows right here. 38 lows, my bad. Are these even cheaper than, yeah, $40. $40 for Air Max 97. Remember, and you get another discount, so that's under 30 bucks. I think it's like $28, something like that. Air Max 1 Premiums, 110, size 15. Got some Vaporfly Next Percents, 110 for size 15s. Air Max Plus going for $70, all extended size pricing. Remember, you do get that extra 30% off all these prices. I'm too lazy to do the math. $80 for those. Then Immortality is going for $40. And now we are checking the aisles. Got plenty of Jordans. Jordan Retros, that is Jordan 3s right here. Got the ones. We've seen these on sale within a month of them releasing. And they got so many here. They got 2 displays. Jordan 6 Oreos. black Oreos, and then I also got these 13s right here. Plenty of Team J's, of course. We've been seeing plenty and plenty all throughout every Nike outlet, I feel like. Of course, got budget signatures here as well as the GT Cut Academies right here. And the Hyperdunk 2017s that I showed you guys earlier, which is pretty crazy. Crazy to see them in the back wall for $100 and something, and then $40, $50 in the aisles. Kind of crazy, but do got KD Trade 510s. That's a pretty solid price. Not as cheap as $20, $27, but plenty and plenty of budget signatures from KD as well as LeBron as well as Antetokounmpo. So got more witnesses. Got next gens. We know these are gonna fall in price eventually, right? Just like these right here, $90. Wow. LeBron 21s. I think they're gonna drop even more. Yeah, $100 for all those. Dang, and they got these slides here. Holy cow, that's $42. I think they're pretty much the price that I got them for. They got plenty of sizes. I would have loved having a full box for these because I stacked them all together. I think I'm at what, 4 colorways now. Yeah, I freaking love these. Cortezes, these will drop even further. Well, they're retail, so they'll drop eventually. But yeah, Huarache runners or Huaraches, Airspan 2s, another one of those. Third colorway of the Airspans. Just Forces, couple of the Nike Attacks, Air Force 88s, Blazer low acronyms, all white Forces, all black Forces, Dunk lows, the Panda version of those, Air Flight 89s, 95s, waffles right here, mock undercovers, and 270s right here, as well as the DNs. This is one of the first times we've seen the Air Max DNs. First time we've seen those at the outlets, that is. All right, let's go check out the women's back wall right here. In the huge sizes, got some extra long hair suede right here, going for $100. Super bright Forces right here, going for $40. $40. I think that's like $28 after the discount. It's under $30. Like, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? And got Metcons right here, these crazy cheap. $60. That's $42. I have been looking for Metcons. I don't know if I like this color though. Yeah, they do fit. They definitely do fit. I don't know if I like the color. $42. I've just been using my running shoes to work out, but these are super flat. Definitely better for weightlifting. Yeah, I don't know if I'm digging that color. I think I could do better with the color. I got Invincible Run 3s right here. $100. This is a size 12 men's though, size 13.5 women's. You see extended size pricing right here. Look at this. 10.5. So $30. So what is that? $21 for Air Max? $21 Air Maxes. Have y'all ever seen an Air Max for cheaper? $21? Are you serious? I can't do those Air Maxes, but $21. That's freaking wild. And they got a ton of these in a bunch of different sizes. Size 11 women's, women 11.5, as well as the size 12s that we saw a minute ago. GT Cut 3s or 2s right here. $60 for those. Holy cow. Holy cow. Jordan 2s, 120, size 10 women's. Air Max 90s, all white, hella clean. I thought these were some refurbs. Nah, but $90? $90 plus 30 off. And I think that was mispriced because this one shows 130 and this is a bigger size. And that one also does have the extended size price, and they usually don't start extended sizing at size 9.5. It was interesting to find those type of mistakes. 130 for these, size 9.5. Another women's 9.5 right here. Infinity Run 4s go for $95. Size 9 Jordan 1 highs go for $95. Jordan 38 lows, women's colorway 185. They want the full 185, size 9. Size 8 Air Forces going for $65. Scorpions 110. Still 120 for these at 8.5. Size 7 go for $90. All right, this has been interesting. A lot of interesting stuff here. Holy cow. Let's check out the aisles, and then I gotta go. I got other spots to check out. Air Max 90 Futuras. Some Air Max 1s. A couple different colorways in the women's. Then 270s, got all kinds of 270s. In the women's, we've been seeing all kinds of blazers made out of different materials. Highs, mids, lows. Also, ton of Air Forces. Got platforms, shadows. Got all kinds of forces. Across the way, got a few more right here. You got some Dunks made of canvas material. Rose Whisper colorway right here. Black and white. Awful ones. Got another one right here. Some Cortez. Then an entire row of Jordans. By an entire row, I mean an entire row. Wow. I believe these are the 4s that the resellers got out front. I think they got the bigger sizes because they're close to $100. Some 6s. Acer Blue or Hyper Royal, right? My bad. Hyper Royal. I'll put my near 12s right here. Lucky Green 3s. They only have up to size, what, 7.5. These are the 2s that we saw earlier. These are hella cheap. They got them up size 12. No extra discount on these. Saw these on the back wall, right? Some lows. Got them in blue as well. These are way more wearable than those purple and black ones, but they only have them up to size 10 women's. These only go up to size 9. Got plenty of these. At the low OG. UNC to Chicago's right here. No laces on these. The black and white mids up to size 11. And then 110 extra discount on these bad boys. They got plenty of sales on their winter stuff, but I do gotta get going. I gotta hit up a couple more stores for y'all. $50, get an extra 30% off on these. What do you guys think about them having no limits here? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I think we're out, man. I think we're out. I got other stores to hit up, man, and I gotta get home to go pick up my kiddo from school. We out, man. We out. Make sure you guys help boy out. Press that like button. Press subscribe, and we're gone. Still out in Camarillo, and they do have Yeezys here, but mostly small sizes. This Pro Image Sports has been a pretty dope spot for deals. This is actually really, really dope. This is dope. They got all kinds of Lakers jerseys right here. Mitchell and S. Swingman. Y'all seem to love New Balance nowadays. You get 30% off all this. I'm just too lazy to do the math. Collection just amazing. Got 990s right here. Yeah, that's the best selection I've ever seen. Holy cow.